In this video, I'm going to explain about how do we apply slicing operation on NumPy arrays. Okay, for that I'm opening IDLE tool and file, new file. So first we need to import the required library, that is NumPy library. So import NumPy library, and I'm assigning some alias name, that is the short name for the NumPy. Wherever I require NumPy, instead of typing the entire word NumPy, I can use the short name, that is called NP. This is called alias name. And the next one is we need to create an array with the help of NumPy array function. So NumPy of array. So what is our aim? To introducing slicing. So the main purpose of slicing is, instead of viewing all the items of an array, if I want to view the subset of the items of a particular array, that can be done with the help of slicing. So in this video I'm going to I will show you how to access subset of elements of a one-dimensional array. So a one-dimensional means I can create a one-dimensional array like this. Okay, with the 5 elements or 6 elements, whatever according to our requirement. And the next one is printing all the items of an array, that is by using the name of the array it prints all the items. Suppose if I want to access individual elements, that is also we can do it with the help of a1 of 0 means it will access the first element, a1 of 1 means it accesses the second element. But I want this set. Suppose I want 30 40 50, I want only this subset. So how can we do it? This is located index 2, this is located index 5. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4, so this is the located fourth index and this is located second index. So 2 colon 5 I can give. So a1 of 2 colon 5. Okay, what is the meaning of this 2 colon 5? 2 is representing the start index, where to fetch or where to start reading. Okay, 0 1 and 2, that is from 30. Okay, up to what number? Up to the last index minus, up to the stop index minus 1. That means here the index position is 5, but that means it reads up to 4 only. So what is the fourth index value? 50. So that means the output of this statement is 30 40 and 50. We'll check it. So for that we need to save it first. So somewhere we need to assign some meaningful name. So it is about slicing, okay, on arrays. So I'm assigning slicing arrays. Yeah, after saving we have to run the application. You can check it. As I told you that my intention is I want to print 30 40 50. How can I do it? I done with the help of this statement 2 colon 5. Similarly, suppose if I am printing print of a1 of the square brackets, for example 1 colon 1 means from 20 onwards. This is located 1 index, second index, third index, fourth index, fifth index. So for if I given 6, if I given 6 here, then what will happen? Just you observe. Beginning from the 1 index means the element from 20 onwards. 1 index element is printed, second index, third index, fourth index, fifth index. Actually this one is not considered. The stop index value is not taken into consideration up to the stop index minus 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Up to 60 it will print, beginning from 20. See, beginning from 20 up to 60 it prints. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And the next one is, suppose if I did not specify the stop index value, what will happen? I did not specify the stop index value. In the above statement, I specified both start index value as well as the end index value. Here in this case, 1 is the start index value, 6 is the end index value. In this case, 2 is the start index value, 5 is the end. But in the third statement, I did not specify the end index value. Then what? How the Python interpreter will consider it? Up to what index value it will read? So beginning from the given start index up to the last index in the given array list, up to the last index. See, that means both the statements will print the same output. See, both 1 colon 6 also prints the same information, 1 colon blank also prints the same information. Okay, suppose I will give you one more print of. Suppose if I want to get the complete list, how can I represent it? 0 colon blank. 0 colon blank means I specified only beginning index value, that is from the beginning index, that is 0. up to the last index. If I did not specify anything means it will consider up to the last index value. You can check it. So beginning from 10 up to the last index, all elements are printed using this one. Suppose there is one more case. So print, if I did not specify the beginning index value, but I specified only end index value, okay, then how the Python interpreter will consider it? See, after beginning the square bracket, nothing is specified. Directly we kept the colon symbol. After that we specified the stop index value, where to stop. So 6 minus 1 is 5. At fifth index value it will stop. But where to start? When you are not specified, always it starts reading from the first item that is located at the 0 index. You can see 10 beginning from 10. Beginning from 0 index means the item value is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Similarly, if I use one more statement, suppose if I given only 4. So beginning from 0 up to third index. Why? Because stop index minus 1. Stop index value is 4 means 4 minus 1 means 3. 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 40. So beginning from 10 up to 40 it prints. Okay. So beginning from 10 up to 40 it prints. This is one way. And yeah. If I want to print alternate values of the given array list, then how can I express that one? 0 colon 6 colon 2. So here one more third element is added here. The first one is represented the start value, start index value. Next one is represented the stop index value. Next one represents the step value. Step value means after reading the first element, if you see here 2 colon 5 means it reads the second index element, after the third index, after that fourth index. So after second it moves to third, after third index it moves to fourth index, after fourth index it moves to fifth index. Why? Because the default step value is 1 in this case. When you are not specified the third argument, the Python interpreter assumes that you are allowing your program to do step value, jumping the steps by only 1. But if I want to jump 2 steps, that means after printing the first index value, it skips the second one, it prints the next one. It skips this one and it prints the next one. Similarly, alternate elements are going to be printed. So we'll test it. See. So after 10, it won't print 20. After that, prints 30. After 30, it won't print 40. It skips 40 and it prints the 50. So like that, alternate elements are printed with the help of step value. How many steps you want to jump, you have to convey it by providing the third element. So first one is start value, next one is stop value, and next one is step value. So yes, 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 start index, stop index, and step value. And we can also use negative indexing to access the subset of elements of an array using slicing. So this technique is called slicing, using this colon, left element, start value, colon, stop value, colon, step value. This notation is called as slicing. So slicing main purpose is instead of accessing all the items, if you want to access sublist of items of a given array, that can be done with the help of slicing. Now, so colon minus 1, something if I get. So colon minus, I did not specify the beginning value, only I specified the stop value. Okay, then how the Python interpreter will assume this and how it is going to print, we will check it. See, so minus 1 up to minus 1 means minus 1 won't be considered. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 are printed. So first I will give you one more example. A1 of, I did not specify the start index value, I did not specify the beginning in stop index value, but I specified only jump value. Okay, then I skipped to first two, that means start index value, stop index value I did not specify, I specified only how many steps needs to jump. So then how it is going to do? It prints all the items in the reverse order. If you observe, if you want to print the reverse order of the given array elements, we can use this notation, slicing notation, array name inside the square brackets, you can skip the start index value, you can skip the stop index value, and you can specify only the how many step needs to jump. -1 means it is starting from the last element. So last element, last first element, last second element, last third element, like that it is going to print it. So in this way, we can apply slicing on one-dimensional arrays.